everyone, quick update from the Full Throttle Finance team. We wanted to jump on and clarify an important detail from our recent episode on the No Tax on Overtime Act, because language matters and accuracy is everything when it comes to tax deductions. We mentioned that W-2 employees can deduct up to $12,500 in overtime pay or $25,000 for joint filers. But here's what the IRS actually says. Individuals who receive qualified overtime compensation may deduct the pay that exceeds their regular rate of pay, such as half portion of time and a half compensation. So that's not your entire overtime paycheck. It's just the premium portion that qualifies as a deduction. So if your regular rate is $20 an hour and you're paid $30 an hour for overtime, only $10 an hour extra is deductible under this rule. And unfortunately, even some payroll providers are getting this wrong. Gusto's article is stating that overtime pay is tax deductible in full, which is misleading and could cause confusion when it's time to file. Patriot software is also missing the mark. They don't really specify anywhere that it's only the half portion that qualifies under this IRS rule. Now, on the other hand, ADP has the correct interpretation, and we're giving them all the credit for this, for spelling this out completely. This matters because if your payroll provider doesn't understand how this deduction works, your pay stub may not be formatted correctly, and that could prevent you from claiming this deduction at tax time. Right now, most pay stubs lump all overtime into one line item, but under this new law, we may need to start seeing the breakdown between pay base and premium pay, especially if employers want their team members to take full advantage of this deduction. So going into 2025, we're encouraging everyone, employees, employers, and payroll professionals to keep a close eye on how overtime gets reported, because the IRS is being very specific, and we're going to have to be too. We'll be watching this as it evolves, and we'll keep calling out misinformation when we see it. Let us know in the comments if you've seen this misreported elsewhere or if you have questions about how this will show up on your W-2. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be back soon with more breakdowns of the Big Beautiful Bill.